Hey guys, if you don't want your items to be dropped every time you get killed or eliminated, just change the settings. So right here under my island, all you guys have to do is go into game settings. Under game settings, you guys will see right here, if you scroll down a little bit, it says drop items when eliminated. Just make sure that's off. And that way you guys will be able to keep your guns and everything you picked up already. Because it's really annoying having to pick them up again. Anyways, just press X to apply that and you're all done. That's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.